Ollie, how are you, mate?
Hey, good. How are you coming?
Good.
Yeah.
You're all smiles.
Yeah, I'm so happy you got my P's.
You sure did.
Yeah.
So you're a Brighton lad.
Yeah, from Brighton.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well done. So you've come to see us here at Prepare to Pass.
That's it.
Would you like to share with the other students looking at the videos as to what you went through?
Okay, so I did the VORT course. So
Yeah.
I had 5 lessons and had my test after my 5th lesson.
Mm-hmm.
The training was really good. It was strict and detailed, and Carmen and Teresa got straight to the point. And if I did something wrong, we'd repeat it over and over again until I began getting it.
Yeah.
And I mean, it worked out at the end because I got my P's. So
Well, you certainly did, but
yeah.
your quality of driving, did you see that change from day one?
Oh yeah, for sure. When I came in first day, I was like, oh, I'm pretty good.
Mm.
But then that clearly changed so quickly. Like within the first 10 minutes, Carmen was like, no, you forgot about that. You forgot about that. What are you doing, Oliver?
Right.
But eventually we began, fixing up all my errors, and by the end it was good. Really
Spot
good.
on.
Spot on, exactly.
Well, the key was that in between your lessons that you came to prepare to pass,
Yeah.
you were practicing and training,
Yeah,
weren't you?
For sure, you implement the skills you learn in these lessons, and then
Yeah.
that's what makes you pass. I mean, you have to practice.
But not only that, it makes you more aware as a driver,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Yeah,
Sure.
what you're watching out for, speeds, lines, other
Signs,
cars,
yeah.
all that sort of stuff. Cool. Well done, Oliver.
Thank you very much.
All the very best, mate, and happy and safe motoring, mate.
Yeah. Thank you.
See ya.
See ya.